village of Fferi on the mouth of the River Towy, and it's here that this fabulous walk begins, soon joining the Wales coastal path with Llansteffan village and its castle just on the other side of the estuary. Now, the path is mostly flat and easy enough, but there are a few steep bits, and you'll definitely be out of breath climbing these steps. The magnificent coastline is never far away, of course, and as I climb a little higher, the views are remarkable towards Pendine, Glan, Saundersfoot and Tenby on the Pembrokeshire coast. And there's plenty of interest along the way too, including the 13th century St Ishmael's Church. Once again, you'll feel immersed in the natural world around you, and following the path eastwards and inland a little is the Gower Peninsula and Worm's Head that grabs your attention in the distance. If you're lucky enough to catch the bluebells in full bloom, this walking path is truly magical, and once more the bird life is abundant and varied, from herons to finches. Once the heart of cockle picking, Llansaint is a charming, almost European style village with its ancient church. Don't forget, treat the locals well, close any gates of course, take home any litter, and marvel at the big skies all around you, and just breathe. Soon you'll be back at Fferi with its fascinating history, quaint charm and of course the wonderful coastline. For more information about this fabulous walk and this area, go to discovercarmarthenshire.com.